Yo, what's going on, dudes? It's me, Al. Hope everyone's having a good day. Today's video, we are going to go over my new Ozark trail. Psych! Bro, we are going over my Gee Milner Dream Build today. Hope you like it.
Fighting for the whole time. A nigga, I don't need a cosign. Present. I've been waiting for my whole life. Oh, yes, yeah. Oh, you.
All right, dudes, it came in a Mondraker box, but it is not a Mondraker or Mondraker. How do you say it? Is it Mondraker? Is it Mondraker? Whatever. Anyway, this is the bike. As you can see, fully wrapped up. Thank you, G, for making sure that my bike is safe. But yeah, I'm gonna start taking this bad boy apart. All right, dudes, look at the frame. It is packed up. Got the wheels over here. Nice little Crankbrothers carbon synthesis wheels. Got the spare parts right here. Let's get to it, boys. Man, oh man, this thing is sexy. Whew. All right, this thing was packaged up really nice, and I'm so excited, dude. It is time to get to work, boy. Let's get it. All right, so what does this thing have? We got an SDG Bel Air saddle, pretty cool. Got the Kashima dropper. We got the Fox Float X2. We also got some 5D EV cranks, chainring, and we got some Crankbrothers Stamp 7 pedals. For drivetrain, we got SRAM Maxxis XO T-Type. Ooh, look at this fork. For the fork, we obviously got Fox 36 Factory. Got the Podium edition. Look at this. We got the Era carbon RaceFace handlebars. I got the braking INCAS, they're called. Pretty sick. RaceFace handlebars as well. I mean, grips as well. But yeah, dude, got the Crankbrothers wheels. These are my first set of carbon wheels, so I'm super excited. A lot of RaceFace stuff over here, but yeah, dudes, that is gonna be my Gee Milner Dream Build bike, and I just can't wait to ride this thing. But yeah, I freaking have no idea where my chain tool is. Anyway, dudes, hope you guys all enjoyed. If you did, feel free to comment, like, and subscribe. I can't freaking wait to ride this freaking thing, man. Woo! I got a green bike. Got a green bike now. I just need a purple one and a blue one and an orange one. Whatever.